Hi friends, my name is Vamsi Kumar from Anusar Tech. In previous tutorial, we learned how to deploy a AWS instance using UiPath. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to, AWS activities, how to use the AWS activities in UiPath. It means how to stop the instance and how to reboot the instance. And if we want to terminate the instance, we can terminate the instance in UiPath. Uh, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, guys. Let's continue to the video session. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention in previous tutorial about the security access key. I will let you show, guys. That will be available from IAM module. In IAM module you will get the secret access key also. Here manage security credentials. By creating of the this security access key, you will get a file to download. Let me show you guys. This is like this. You will get a pop-up after downloading of the key file. You will get access key. That's it, guys. Right now I am deleting this because I don't have to use that one. No need of the use. Let me show you guys. I haven't created any workflow, guys. Right now I am creating the workflow in front of you. First I have created, earlier we did the automation for the creation of instance. Right now I am using the comment out to comment that one, and where I have taken the first we have to get the all list of the instances. So how many instances available here right now, those instances we have to get in the UiPath. We will use the an activity get instance activity. By using that one we will get an all list of instances. Right now we have the two instances. I will show you these two instances right now available. After that we can use activity as a get instance instances list. If you guys know one particular ID, I mean this is the one particular ID of the it is a unique instance ID for the AWS machine. If you know this one, you can get the instance by ID using this activity, or else you can use an activity as a get instance list. Using this activity you will get the all list of the instances available in your account. I am taking it as an instance details. I have created an variable like for this one. Let me show you guys why it was coming as. And state is we have to provide all. Sorry guys, this is an instance only. This is an array of the instances state. So I am providing as an instance. Why it was an appeared means I will show you. Here I have taken firstly I have taken an AWS instance. This means only we are getting it as an one string, one of the variable. If we take an instance in the array, we will get the multiple instances. So I have taken in the instances AWS instance as an array of the string. So I have to loop the each one to terminate or reboot or restart. Right now I have taken I am going to taking it as an for each, and I am providing instance only for my instances, all instances details. And here I will take it as an UiPath.Amazon Web Services models.aws EC2 instance. This is the target argument, guys. After this we can use multiple activities. Let me show you guys. Yeah, these are the instances activities available. We have used the get instances list. Then we can use the reboot instance if we required. You can provide it here as an instance name means item, because we have taken it as an item. for variable. Then we can use it as in a stop instances and terminate instances. We can provide multiple instances what we have required activities. Right now I will show you guys for one by one. Right now I am taking it as a reboot chain, or we can take it as a stop instances, because we can get to know this is the worked or not. Where I am providing my instance name is an item. I will let you show you guys terminate instance after the completing of the stop instances. Yeah, right now if you observe guys, those two are the instances state is running. Yes guys, I will show my instance ID and instance details also. Not instance details, item dot, where I am using the item, and instance ID. This is the my instance ID, where I will get first this one and second this one. Let me show you guys. Where I have used as a stop activity to stop the all running instances. If you use the reboot activity, the instances will reboot. This would be very useful guys in real-time scenarios, where we will get the configurations. Means in a Excel file we have to configure in our code, so that we can create the multiple instances. Yes guys, yes guys, if you observe, earlier it was running state, right now it was in a stopping state. If we get a pop-up, yes guys, if you observe, this is in the stop state. We got after completing of the stopping stage, we got a message box instance ID. For this instance ID, it was in a stop. So by clicking this one, it will go to next instances, then it will also be stopped. And right now it was in a stopped state. If we want to start again, we can pass an activity as a starting instance and activity, so we can able to start the instance. Yes guys, we did 2 instances for the stopping state. Yeah, here if you observe, these 2 instances right now stopped. Again I want to terminate these 2 instances. Just I have to provide the, instead of stop instance means terminate instance, where I have to provide the instance is item. Yes, by running this, what are all the available in your region, all the instances will be terminated. Let you show guys, wait for a moment. Bot is running. Yeah, right now we are in the state of the stopped state. Yes guys, bot is did for one instance, it was in the terminate state right now. Yes guys, if you observe here, it was in a terminated. Again it was going to fetch for the second instance, and it was going to terminate the second instance also. Yes guys, the bot is dead. Thanks for watching this guys. Please do subscribe.